Some people don't deserve father figures. Anyways.
Oh, then you're going in. Man, look at this island. Damn, boy. Going down.
What is bro yapping about?
I don't know.
I'm not even in the game. Oh, my fault.
Seeming thyself is not in the particular Sigma situation of the gaming arena.
What?
I don't know.
What's up, Finch Eye? What's up, Kelvin? Kelvin, what the hell are you doing? Retard.
Oh,
I'm about to kick you in your mouth.
I'm like Kobe Bryant. Hopefully this doesn't go the same as Kobe Bryant.
You better take that out of the video. You're gonna be canceled.
I'm not gonna get canceled.
Kelvin, why are you staring at me like that?
Wait, this looks like I'm finna get Kobe
Edward
Bryant, bro.
Pumpkin.
I'm not gonna lie. My helicopter
Harper
going
Pumpkin.
down.
Virginia Pumpkin. Whole family went missing. We had to find out what happens. But demons.
That's a big mountain.
Ah! 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 We're going down. Going down. Help!
500 feet below. What does that mean he's going down? What is happening?
I'm dangling.
I don't know what bro's yapping about. I'm just in the helicopter chilling.
I'm dangling.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know what he yapping about.
Oh my god. The pilot's still alive. Be careful, do not fall.
Bro, what's going on?
Pilot, you better not fall. Oh. Oh yeah, he gone. Oh, he's back, bro. Oh yeah, he did. Oh, that door just smacked him in the face. I need to get down.
What's bro yapping about?
Ah! What happened?
Now who invited you?
Get off me, Cracker!
What?
Yo, my bad, bro. I didn't realize you were strapped. Oh!
What's yapping about?
Oh my god. I'm black.
What is bro yapping about?
Bro, I'm sitting here trying to plan the character and you're just in the background. What is Blood yapping about?
Because I'm not even out. I'm still in this flipping helicopter chilling.
Dude, this is Sped dude shaking on the ground.
Oh, was I supposed to? Oh, I was supposed to look at the computer. My fault.
You're still there?
Yo, I'm chill. Fight demons. What is bro talking about? Fighting demons.
Oh, it's Pluto. Hey.
Oh, where the hell am I at?
If I just start
Oh, I am black. No wonder he shot me.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, we're not old. I'm not an old man. Bitch. Come here, rabbit.
Yeah, they're not gonna know what you're talking
Come
about.
here, coon. Go play with me, boy.
You can't say that.
I said coon.
You can't. Say... You're so slow.
Raccoon. Alright, come here. We gotta help up the Sped dude. Come here, buddy.
Oh. What do I have in here?
Get up.
Hey, where's my axe?
In your inventory, dumbass. Nah. Dude, this
Hey,
is
shut up.
Sped.
Who you talking to like that, boy? You're black.
I think the sucker's dead.
You don't have rights to be talking to me like that, boy.
Here, look at the tip of this pen. Before I give you another tip.
Hey, he's a sexy man right here. I'm gonna give him something to. Hold on. Let me get behind him. Let me get behind him.
Now take this note right here, boy. Man. What is it? Bro, you're like having a seizure on his back. Where should we skedaddle to?
Good boy.
Got some
There's a
flares.
fucking raccoon!
That's what I was chasing. And then you started yelling, I can't say
You
that.
harvested, loser. Come here. Give
Oh,
that
let me get
meat.
some of that.
Murder.
Oh, he just popped in half.
I'm so cool.
I took his head. Where do we need to go? I say we go down there, over there.
Good boy. This good boy. Good boy. Good signal. Good signal. Hey, there's a black trying to steal my wood.
Bro,
Yeah, I bet you got your own wood, don't you, huh?
Yeah.
BBC, am I right?
It's going in the water. Oh, never mind. Watch out! Why did we get the wood for again?
To throw it at people like this.
Ah! I'm about to die. Let me take these
Yeah.
meds. Let me pop these Percocets.
Yeah.
You know what I just did? I just snorted 14 pounds of cocaine in my nose.
What? Alright, I got
You're
fire
a
going
boy.
so you can cook your meat.
Oh, you got a fire going, boy? Good boy. Do what daddy tell you, don't you?
Can I just realize is that I don't need to cook the meat right now. No, don't eat it, you idiot!
Well, I can't pick it up.
Alright, I'm gonna start constructing a house. How about that?
I got mixed. Good boy, come on.
Why did you cut? Oh, wait, can you do that? What does it give you?
It gives you slavery, okay, man?
What do you mean it gives you slavery?
I did it. Perfect. I'm a real man. 'Cause I'm white.
You say you're
I
a
love
real
being
man
a
because
white
you're
man
white.
in this crash scene, you know. I'm the only white man here.
Literally not white.
I am white.
You're not white.
Yes, I am.
Why does everyone want to be white so bad?
Look at my skin color. Look at me right now. Am I
You're-
not Caucasian?
Oh, my bad. I didn't realize.
That's what I thought. Black. Oh, there's a rabbit. Oh, I see it.
Or said Sandy.
You're not escaping me. Where am I at? I'm lost.
Are you
I'm
lost?
gonna go explore. Oh, let me pop some Percocets real quick, bruh. I need some Percocets in my system. I need Percocets, please. Percocets. Wait, where's my medicine? Chat, I don't got no medicine.
Yeah, I think bro has medicine.
Where do I find medicine at?
In boxes around the trash.
Yeah, I don't know where I'm at. I'm probably gonna get eaten if I just like keep going this way. So
Okay, so how do I make a roof? Without... Oh, there's a hanging body right here.
yeah,
They
I
have
don't care about that. I'm
butt
worried about this flipping.
Will I get banned for butt cheeks?
I don't know, but I'm trying to chase down this squirrel. It's very fast. Don't you want
What's
deer
that
meat?
supposed to be about, baby? I'm gonna be honest, you built like Slim Shady.
Oh, this deer is finna die. I hit it twice. There's no way it's not dead. Where'd he go? Flip, man, outran me.
He outran you?
Say the
Yep.
N-word.
I'm not. Okay. I was not gonna say stay the N-word. I need your help.
With what, boy?
I need to find a way to put a roof on here. And I don't want to put a post in every single corner like this. Wait, it might just be temporary, actually. Hold up. Because it's physics.
Cause it's nigga X.
But it's not what I said. Look, can you place... No, don't place those. Place posts. That way... Ow.
What the hell is a post?
A log, I mean. But then once it's all laying, we can get rid of this. Like, look, theoretically, yeah, we can drop that.
I got you then. Let me cut down the tree. Why?
Dude, I'm so smart.
Hey.
Look, and now we just place it like normal.
Oh. Break it. I'm breaking your walls.
Oh, heck no. Hey, bring the log to the back of the house so I can get on top of the roof. We're gonna each have our own story. Do you want bottom or top story?
Diddy duo. I want the bottom.
You want bottom? Alright, come on. Put it on here.
You're not gonna be able to handle it. Or you're not gonna be able to handle me on top of you, bro.
It's a little steep, but it'll be alright. Alright, we need to put the last log on there. Alright.
Oh, that's a good little Sigma right there.
You yapping about?
You know what's easier is easier to have the bottom because it's easier to escape from the ops.
Yeah, but think about this. You can just break the stairs and they can't get up here.
Uh-huh. Stay right there.
Alright, now we just gotta build the roof. But hey, we gotta build a tent soon. Let me get ready to build a tent. Stop throwing stuff at me. Got it.
Did it. Let's go. I'm murdering it.
Yep, me too.
It takes 4.
I got hide.
Oh, I can just eat it raw like this?
Why would you eat it raw? Alright.
I'm eating it.
Alright, let's go to sleep.
I just ate it, bro.
Come on.
Oh my lord.
Come on, quick, before the people come.
How do I go to sleep, bro?
Look at it. There.
You're a bad fool.
What? And
You heard me.
save. Alright. Still raining, but that'll be alright. Okay, Sean, come here.
What do you want, man?
Come here.
Where is bro?
Were these always here?
No.
Yeah, we're good. Alright, come help me build the roof.
I'll deal with it, man.
Help me build finish the second story.
Kelvin, get your lazy ass to work, boy. You've not done anything this entire time. You're not putting your work in, Kelvin. Wait, where is bro gonna live?
It'll be alright. We'll sleep together.
Oh yeah, bro's good. Oh, I might break the house.
Now you alright.
Hey, what if I do it on purpose, Lord? Are you gonna spank me?
Okay. Why is bro
Hey,
asking?
there's a fat raccoon, bro. This
Why
thing's
is
fat.
bro asking, are you going to spank me? That was irrelevant to what I was asking. Look, I say we don't have these back areas on, and we have a fence.
Hey, low key, bro. Is it big? There's a deer.
Why is bro asking, is it big?
It's running. I'm on it.
Get it!
God damn it. Whoa, where did that go?
Kelvin, what are you doing?
He's being a Ligma Sigma.
Hi, Sigma?
Good girl.
Oh, heck.
You're gonna have to edit this real good because we've been saying some crazy stuff. Oh, there's a deer.
I made a balcony.
You son of a bitch, there's a deer. I'm finna absolutely fucking murder this damn bird.
Alright.
I missed
I
the
made a
bird.
balcony.
Raccoon, this is your fault. Get him move! I cut his leg! Help me!
Oh.
I'm bending over. I'm taking it from the back.
I'm dead.
Oh, so we were both dead. Okay.
Yeah, you can come back in time to save me.
Yeah.
But you have to go pretty quick.
I'm coming. I'm coming
See if you
home.
can skip the cutscenes.
I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home.
Yeah, I'm dead. 3, 2, 1.
Broski, it seemeth that thyself has been captured. Where's our base of operations at?
God damn.
Why is bro gooning? So there's no one around. You can stop gooning.
I almost sucked
Oh.
your meat there for a second. Yeah.
Hey, bro, what you doing, bro?
My stuff's right here. Ah,
Yeah, well, where's our base? Where's Kelvin?
check the map. Press M.
They murdered Kelvin.
Oh, it's over here. We're this close to a base? We're very close. Getting that D.
Make a fire first. I need to cook some food. I'm hungry.
Run! Run!
And where?
The
I'm
cannibals
getting
are-
inside the crib. Gang, I'm upstairs.
I'm going upstairs. Cover the
Yeah,
door!
they're in the fucking trees. They're in the trees. They're in the trees.
Overcooked.
Break the dang stairs.
I broke the door.
I got it.
Come on, keep going.
I can't.
Watch out.
I can't. Don't worry, I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna throw it at him.
Sorry,
Daddy.
Sorry, Kelvin, you're good. Kelvin was trying to
Kelvin,
go
get
up.
up here! Kelvin, please!
Ah, I can't let him die like this. Move! Move!
Go get Kelvin!
Kelvin, come here! Where'd he? Okay, now he leaves. Kelvin, come up here! Come in! Come inside!
Let me see what I have in my inventory to fight him off.
Follow me!
I have something to fight him off.
Kelvin fell off the stairs. Okay, Kelvin,
Are they gonna
BI.
attack him?
They're standing right there. Yeah. Sorry, Kelvin, you're BI. If you survive, you'll forgive me eventually.
You're killing Kelvin! I'm not letting this happen! Thank you! You hit me. I'm eating.
I'm grabbing their head.
I'm gonna eat some cooked.
There's one right there. Come on. Get ready to fight, though. There's one standing right there.
Beach.
This sucker is weak.
What you do? Let's go then! By the way, where is Kelvin? Oh, he's right here. Okay.
I can't carry any more heads. I have too many heads.
Kelvin is very bloody.
We weren't Sigmas.
We're the best
Oh my
Sigmas.
gosh. Save. Alright, ready to go to the cave?
Yeah, I'm finna empty your cave.
Alright, come on. Think we should do this?
You think we're gonna get tickled? Good boy.
I'm going in first.
Hey, why is it so dark and cold in here?
Beautiful.
Oh, it's not blue. That doesn't make any sense.
There's dead bodies.
Oh, there's cloth. I could eat whatever this is. I don't know what I'm eating. Gourd.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, W. Okay, I don't even need this anymore. Let's go. Come show me. Look at this spinal cord, bro. Oh, there's a lot of spinal. Okay.
I got the rope.
Are those people?
We're missing out on suitcases. That's the players.
That is people! They are dying! Help me! Where'd you go? There's a light.
Ah! Whoa!
I turned it off.
Help! Help! Give me up!
Oh, died?
I need medicine. I got meds. Oh my god, I need
Out
meds.
of fault. Niggas got slapped. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. He's out.
To continue.
To continue, find out of your butt.
Wait, we're still in the cave.
Oh, wait, don't go, Where am I?
Where am I?
So we just can't take the power tools. All right, bet.
You need some meds?
Yes, I have no health.
Come here.
Well, you come here, bro. I'm trying to escape. What did bro just...
There. In your inventory.
What did bro just do? Bro just gave me... I don't want to be here anymore, man.
Ugh.
Oh, let's go find us a dead body.
Listen closely. Do you hear it? You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up. You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds. The streaming blood of life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast is for eternity.